Picking fonts for your website shouldn't feel like scrolling Netflix at 2 a.m. Too many options, nothing to commit to. So here's how I pick fonts for web design without wasting hours. Rule 1, the two font rule. One font for headings, one for body. Done. More than two, and your site looks like a ransom note. The trick is balancing personality with readability. And if you don't want to sit there testing 100 combinations, just go to fontjoy.com. Lock one font, spin the other, and it'll hand you pairings until something clicks. Now, fonts alone don't create hierarchy. Size does. I start body text at 16 pixels, then multiply by the golden ratio, 1.618. That gives me approximately 26 pixels for subheads. Multiply again, approximately 42 pixels for headlines. But size isn't enough. You also need weight. Bold of the headline, keep subheads medium, let body stay regular. This is where a font family with multiple weights pays off. It gives you more room to create contrast without throwing in random extra fonts. And here's the trap people miss. Contrast only matters if it's readable. That's why I always run my fonts through colorcontrast.cc, add in your text and background colors, and it'll tell you if your design passes accessibility, because the prettiest typography in the world is useless if no one can read it. So that's my process. Pick two fonts, thank you FontJoy, scale them with the golden ratio, and double check with colorcontrast.cc. Clean, consistent, readable typography without overthinking it.